Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make this stitch. It's a V-stitch, chevron V-stitch. You can use it for your shawls, or you can make a throw or a blanket, baby blanket with this. It's so easy and soft, as you see. I use a multicolor yarn for this one, and I will write the yarn's name if I could remember, because I made this one so earlier. By the way, something happened 1 or 2 months ago. I made this stitch video for my Turkish channel before, maybe 1 year ago. I don't remember now correctly. 1 month ago, I saw this video on YouTube with Spanish. One of the Spanish channel. It's not a small channel. It's a kind of big channel. Take my video and delete my voice, add her voice, and make it Spanish or Portuguese. I'm not sure about it. I always mix these two. And just share it like that. And I was subscribed this channel. And I directly see this video when she uploaded, and I told it to YouTube, and they delete this video. I think I'm so open with this thing. I always share my tutorials free. That's not one stitch I found or something. You can make a video about it. You can make a video about my own tutorials, free tutorials too, if you want. But just I want to use credits. It will be nice thing to do, because if you know that's my tutorial, it will be nice to tell my name, but everyone can make anything about my tutorials. I always think like that. But using someone's video is something different. It's just take 5 or 10 minutes to make a video about it. I hope you understand me. Just make your own video about it. Why you are using someone else's video with your voice like you do it? It's so lame, I think, and I really don't like it. And I want to share it with you too, but it's not a big deal, of course. And I will use 4mm crochet hook with a 4-ply yarn. I will use wool now. You can use any kind of yarn size and hook size. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. I will start with a slip knot. For this stitch, we will need multiples of 14 plus 5 only one time. Now I will make 14 chains 3 times. 11, 12, 13, 14. I will make one more. And one more. I made 3 sets and then add 5. I have 47 chains now. Yarn over. Insert into the 5th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert here. Grab the yarn. Yarn over, pull through 2 loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loop. And I made a double crochet here. Skip 2 into the 3rd stitch. Make a double crochet. Chain 1 and one more double crochet into same place. We made a V here. Skip 2 into the 3rd stitch, make a V again. And that's our top of our chevron. So we will make 4 double crochet into same stitch separated with a chain. I made 1, 2. Chain 1, 3, chain 1 and 4. That's our top. Skip 2, make a V. Now we are at the bottom. Skip 2 into the 3rd stitch, insert your hook, grab the yarn. We will make half of a double crochet here. Just yarn over and pull through from 2 loops and leave it like that. Skip 1. We will only skip 1 here. Be careful about it. Into the next stitch, make 1 more half. I have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through from all these loops. And that's the bottom. We will repeat this now. Skip 2 into the 3rd stitch, make a V, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into same stitch. Skip 2 into the 3rd stitch, make 4 double crochet separated with 1 chain. 2, 3, 4. Skip 2 into the 3rd stitch, make a V, skip 2 and we will make the bottom. Make a half, skip 1, 1 more half, complete together. Skip 2, make a V, skip 2, make your 4 double crochets, 3, 4, and now I will finish this sample, you can repeat this pattern for how many stitches you have. Just make your tops and bottoms and one V between them. Skip to make a V. Skip 2 into this stitch, insert your hook, make a half, skip 1 into the next one, make one more half and complete together. That's the end of the first row. Chain 2 and turn. Now we will make a decrease here. Start with a decrease. That's you can think it like first half of a double crochet. Okay, we will make the second one into this V stitch. Insert here that one chain space, make a half and close them together. That's our decrease. Into the next V here, we have 3 V's here into the top. So that's the first one. Insert here, make a V. Into that middle V, we will make 4 double crochet, 3 V. 1, chain 1, 2, chain 1, 3, chain 1 and 4. Into the next V, we are still at the bottom, at the top. Okay, make a V. We make our 1 V and top and 1 V. Now we are at the bottom. How to make it? Insert into this next V, make half of a double crochet, skip here, insert into the second V here, make a half again, complete together. Okay, that's our bottom. We are here into that first V, make a V, into the middle V, make the top 1, 2, 3, 4, and into this last V, make a V. Now we will make the bottom again here into this and these V's. That's the one. Skip here, 2, close together, and make it one more time. Make a V, make 3 V's, make a V, and here make a decrease, one half, 2, close together. And from now on, we will repeat this. Okay, that's one row. Repeat. At first, it will seem a little complicated, but when you make it, you will see it's so easy, and it will be bigger easily. Chain to turn into this first V, insert and make a half of a double crochet and complete here together. And find the next V, it's here. Make a V here. Next V here. Make top. 1, 2, 1 chain, 3, 1 chain, and 4. And next V is here, make a V. We will make the bottom here. Just make a half, skip here, and into this next V, make one more half, complete together. That's the next V, make a V, make 4 double crochet, and make a V here, make the bottom again, skip here, just directly go into this next V, close together. One V, into the next one, 3 V's, and into this next V, make a V, and we will this V and this decrease, we will make decrease into them. 1 and insert here, 2, close together. And we will keep making like that. I want to show you this one. As you see, you can make it with a multicolor yarn. It looks beautiful like that too. And I hope you like this tutorial and find it easy to follow. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin Crochet is my Instagram, Pinterest and website address. I'll wait you there too. And that's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.